Good morning, guys. This is just a quick update on GBPUSD, and the market will actually be trending downwards. If you remember, I made a post a few days ago that as long as DXY keeps trending upwards, that the market will keep trending downwards until DXY fills a gap, which I shared a screenshot, but I'm going to show you that too in this video. Now, this is the 4 hour time frame, and as you can see, we are creating lower lows. We keep breaking structures. Right here, we have this chain and break of structure. Just been trending downwards, and yeah. So, where I think the market is heading to is actually this area right here, because I believe we are definitely going to come down to take out these stop losses over here, this one over here, and also this one over here. Fill up these imbalances, possibly taking out the step, but definitely we are going to be taking out these two levels over here. So in the meantime, in the meantime, um, any any other block, any especially 4 hour order block, any 4 hour order block is actually an opportunity to sell the market all the way down to those two levels I just showed you. All right. Um, I've actually been I'm actually in a swing sell positions. All right, on GBUSD, also on gold actually. Yeah, because both of them have actually been trending downwards because of the way the movement of the dollar. Now let's take a look at the DXY, and let me show you what it has been doing. So as you can see, this is the daily time frame of the dollar index. All right, and I told you guys that this level is where the dollar index is trying to fill up. So once it's done filling up that level, once it's done filling up that level, it is either we retrace backwards, it is either we do something like this. All right, this is what I expect dollar index to do: fill up this imbalance, then retrace a little bit, maybe into this trend line or break the trend line. But definitely, this is where it's heading to. So this is already an indication that the market will keep selling as of now. Now, another reason why I think we're going to retrace downward is because if you look into this area, you see that there is a kind of uh, a range over here. All right, this is kind of a range. This is a range. Let me just do it this way. So this is a kind of range. So if we try to manipulate out of this range, all right, then come back into that range, then maybe continue downward. But that is not. That is basically what we think is going to happen. But for now, what we can see is happening because we can only trade what we see is that the dollar index is coming into these imbalances, and as long as it's coming to this area, every other market will keep going down. Now, when I say every other market, crypto might not actually be involved because crypto has its own fundamental that is pushing it. All right. So GBUSD is strongly bearish. This trend line was retested. This daily trend line that I once talked about. We have one over here. Then we also have another one over here. Now you can see that both of them got broken, retested successfully on the 4 hour time frame, and were continuing downward. So we are likely to take out all these levels, especially these two over here, before we get down to this place. So the best thing I think you should do, all right, you don't really necessarily need to wait for my signal. You already have the entry model. I've sent you a lot of videos. I've told you a lot about other blocks, fair value gaps, market structure. You can just take a swing sell position, all right, and keep an eye on DXY, and keep an eye on DXY. the once you notice that the market is already tapping into that fair value gap, then that is when you might start to either reduce your position or you exit your positions. All right, so that is just a quick update on GU. Stay safe, guys.